Humanoid robotics just hit a massive turning point this week, and the technical details leaking out of China suggest we have officially moved past the era of flashy prototypes and into the era of mass-market reliability. Two major players, Xiaomi and LimX Dynamics, have just revealed updates that change the conversation entirely. One is perfecting the internal biology of a robot, while the other is mastering its external performance. Let's start with the breakthrough from Xiaomi. After months of quiet development, they have released a technical deep dive into the CyberOne's new Bionic Hand. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. It is a radical engineering solution to the single biggest physical constraint in robotics: thermal throttling. When you pack 20 high-density motors into a human-sized hand, they generate an incredible amount of heat. In most robots, this causes the motors to overheat and lose power within minutes. Xiaomi's solution is a world first: integrated 3D printed metal liquid cooling channels that mimic human sweat glands. By circulating fluid through the hand's internal structure, the system can evaporate 0.5 milliliters of water per minute. This Bionic Sweat provides 10 watts of active cooling, allowing the hand to maintain high-torque grips for hours in a factory environment without a single performance drop. Beyond the cooling, Xiaomi has achieved a milestone in scale. They have slashed the hand's total volume by 60%. It is now a perfect 1-to-1 human scale, measuring exactly 187 by 88 millimeters. This is a massive leap for AI training. In the past, data collected from human movements had to be translated to fit bulky robot claws, which caused errors in precision. Now, the AI can learn directly from human data with zero translation loss. This hand is also covered in over 8,000 square millimeters of tactile sensors, allowing it to feel the texture and weight of objects, even if its cameras are obstructed. In recent automotive trials, it maintained a 90% success rate in fastening nuts over a 3-hour shift, surviving over 150,000 cycles of stress testing. But while Xiaomi is building a rugged worker for the factory floor, LimX Dynamics is building for the spotlight. They just debuted their newest humanoid, Luna, at the Taobao Influencer Festival. LimX has traditionally focused on rugged, metallic machines built for construction debris, but Luna represents a pivot toward lifestyle robotics. Luna features a sleek, matte black silhouette and a highly agile gait that looks more organic than mechanical. During the live reveal, Luna performed a choreographed catwalk and executed a gymnastics move known as an illusion turn to demonstrate her joint flexibility. LimX is positioning Luna not as a box lifter, but as a high-end service robot designed for social interaction, hospitality, and public performance. Under the hood, Luna is powered by an agentic operating system called COSA, which focuses on fluid, unpredictable movement in crowded spaces. While Xiaomi is mastering the internal physics, cooling, tactile sensing, and endurance, LimX is mastering the external expression. We are seeing a clear split in the industry. Xiaomi is focused on the no-BS reality of industrial deployment, creating a robot that can sweat and survive a 10-hour shift. LimX is focused on the social bridge, creating a robot that can move with the grace of a human performer. The race to dominate the humanoid market is no longer about who can walk without falling. It is about which robot can actually survive the physical demands of the real world. If you want the real technical story behind the robotics revolution without the marketing fluff, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. We're tracking every milestone in this race. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.